What's up guys, back with another video. Today we're going to be finding out what happens when you microwave chip packets. Let's get to it. Okay, we got Smith's soda vinegar. Lost my words then. We got soda vinegar, original barbecue, and chicken. Got my chicken chips. Let's put them in the microwave now. In there, 10 seconds before we start. Lights. That was cool. Holy moly. That's like roasted. Let's pull it out.
It smells like chicken.
It does too. It's very soft. Oh, this is cool. Still a bit hot. Let's take it up here.
Right, John,
Whoa, that's crazy. Look at the back. It's like all melted and shriveled up. Look, you've got your chips here. They don't look so appealing now. That's crazy. Okay. This is pretty cool, don't you guys think? Put in the comments down below if you reckon that was pretty cool. Let's do another one. Okay, now I'm going to use the salt and vinegar chips. Chuck that in there. Yes, in. Okay, let's do this. Look.
And let's go. Alright.
That is just so cool. We're going to get slow motion on that because that's awesome.
Oh, it's even more smaller than the last one.
Yeah. Oh, that's crazy. It's so cool.
Oh, this other one's still hot.
Warm. So, look at this. Smells good. Smell that. Yeah, smell it. Oh, yeah, that's just awesome. They shrivel up. Got a little carry bag, bro. Yeah. Hey, I've got a different method to see if they look even better. Okay, got my chip packets. Put it in. Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Feels like soft.
It's kind of like rubbery. Oh, the writing's still kind of on it, which is cool, but you can't read it. Yeah, this looks awesome. That's actually crazy. You could do all sorts of things with it. Okay, guys, for the finale, this massive one. Okay, let's do it. Alright, putting the chip packet in now. Okay, chip packet in. Start. Oh, that's just epic. That looks like as small as it wants to go. If you guys got any other great suggestions or ideas, please put them in the comments down below. Till next time, guys. See you later.